Paper Systems brings you Easy Set. Out of a demand for square, we bring you square. Easy Set arrives knocked down flat, allowing 14 units to a skid spot. Easy Set's pop-up, stay open feature allows for easy setup. Once the body of the Easy Set is open, you're ready to drop your bottom cassette. Position the container on the pallet. Lay the fill bridge across the top of the tote and lock in your top fill fitment. Square up the container on the pallet and you're ready to fill. Here is a quick demonstration on how to fill an Easy Set container with a form fit liner. Drop the cassette into the container, making sure the corner pieces are up. Once you've positioned the tray, grab the liner and locate the top fill fitment. Position your fill bridge and lock in the top fill fitment to the fill bridge. Connect your tri-clover adapter. We offer this in non-food grade and food grade. You are ready to quick connect. Walk around the container prior to filling and make sure it's squared up on the pallet. Pull your bottom evacuation fitment through the body of the container. You are now ready to fill. After a few inches of product has entered the container, gently pull up on all four corners of the liner to help it seat. Once the container is full, you may help the liner release air. You are ready to cap the liner. Once the container is filled, you are now ready to put the lid on the container and band the container to the pallet. Use a 3/4 inch steel banding or a plastic equivalent. Easy Set will stack up to 4 high using a 4-stringer pallet. Contact Paper Systems today at 1-800-342-2855.